Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Citroen C4 Picasso. It's a one-owner car that comes in the well-equipped Flare specification. Now this gives you a panoramic glass roof, front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera, you get 17-inch alloy wheels and tinted rear windows. Inside the car you've got massaging front seats. There's the touchscreen that gives you DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. Here you'll also find the connected navigation. We've also got dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and this car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.